Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert row and column in an Excel sheet. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest update, and by the end of the video don't forget to hit the like button. So first of all, open Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to insert a row. Select a row number where you want to insert a new row. For example, if you want to insert a row above row 5, click on row number 5. Click on Insert from the menu. A new row will be inserted above the selected row. Similarly, to insert a column, select a column number where you want to insert a new column. For example, if you want to insert a column between column number E and F, click on column E. On the left side, right click on the selected column, click on Insert from the menu. A new column will be inserted. So in this way, you can easily insert rows and columns in an Excel sheet. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.